Hey there friends, Spy Master Monique here, also known as Magic Fingers. I'm on a mission to tell you about how you can become the world's greatest detective. No, not Batman or Sherlock Holmes. I'm talking about Spy Master You. Have you ever wondered how people train to be super sneaky? Or have you ever tried to figure out the case of who ate the last cookie? Well, the best person to ask is a detective or a spy, if you can find one. Spies learn how to gather intel and use deduction and reasoning skills to crack cases and to hide in a world where nobody can find them. Here in SpyKids, students will learn how to blend in with groups of people by creating their very own alias, learn about fingerprinting by creating their own spy ID badge, gather evidence to help solve crimes, crack codes for scavenger hunts, figure out how to escape rooms, and even try to work their way through a laser course. So grab your magnifying glass, paper pad and pen, your fake mustache, and your ID, and be prepared to become immersed in a world of many questions, less answers, and a place where you can become anyone or anything. Your mission starts now.